So you see how my picture is right there? All right. And at the bottom, do you see where it shows, like it says, textbook to a certain phone number, right? I have that right on my profile picture, because when somebody clicks it, it makes it bigger and they can see that. All right. So what you want to do, if you can, is put like the area that you serve. Like you might put Boulder, Colorado, East County, wherever it might be, right? It's really, really important that you do that so that people can see it really, really quickly. Try not to change your profile. I changed mine a lot in the beginning, but now I'm sticking with this. I've got the pink background, the orange ring around it. It it stands out. And the reason being is because people find you from your picture. When you're in these rooms, if you just pop into a room and somebody isn't searching you, they're finding you directly from your picture, okay? And they're not like, if there's a lot of people, then they're not going to know it's you unless they've really gotten to know who you are. And what will happen is very, very shortly, people will start to understand that you're from a certain area. Like I already have met people on there, and now I know where they're from just based upon them talking so much and me always clicking on their profile. So now if I ever want to do a referral, I'll know where to go for certain areas. Okay. It's going to be great for you to utilize this for referrals. Also, as it starts to open up to the general public, you want to start interacting with people, adding value, helping people specifically in your area that you live or you serve, right? And then start creating rooms that are very specific to your area. And even if there's only one person that shows up in your room or two people, who cares? Right? At first, nobody might show up. You might be on there for an hour and no one even shows up. But if one person shows up from your specific area, that's a very targeted, hot lead that you can develop a relationship with. Okay. I mean, it's better to have one person from your area than have 5,000 that are from a different area.